can beat me thin, I'm done. That's fine. Do it right. You guys start outside leverage. I want them to have to cruise to win leverage. Here we go. Done. Cruise, cruise, cruise. Here comes the look. Take away where he wants to go. Sorry, that's such an unrealistic look. We did not get none of that. You're trying to win with speed or swipe it, not just run away from it. Take it back. Here we go. Starting outside leverage, working cruise technique. Right with you. Here we go. Son. Good, Biggie. Terrible feet. Good run. That's win. Son. Speed and power. Gas. Get him on.
Come on, catch the ball. You can make everything right with catching the ball. You can do everything wrong. If you catch the interception, we all good. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. Water down.
What are you doing right now? Set the cup, right? You have the outside contain, right? No one's getting outside you. So, coach, can you run by me? You're in the screen, not like you're coming like you're in the perimeter screen. Catch it, you read the block, you go inside, right? Come back, you're gonna punch the ball right here. Does that make sense? On the outside of the cup, when they make their cut, no one's expecting to punch out. Ready? Ready to go. Race to go.
What is that one? In Mesa?
Yeah, I got that one. Good. And then, yeah, receiver, try and get your hands on him so he has to fight off. Let's go.
You're
Ready?
7 billion people all week.
Race to go.
Sidelines are going to be that Saturday game. It's going to be worse than.
Nice. Ready? Race to go.
Let's
go.
It's going to be in that house. I'll be too.
Ready?
Up top.
Other side.
Flip it around, other side.
Let's go.
Give me something. There you go. There you go. Make it about 8 to 10 though. Don't do it too early. Right here. Right around this area. There you go. Get your depth. Good. You gotta sell. You gotta beat them at the top of the route. Go. Not too early. I need about 8 to 10. You do it to there, you're gonna be running 10 more yards. Good. Come on. There you go. Good. Get up out of it. Perfect. Good. Nice. There you go. Good. Too deep. One more. Look, 3 white line. Good. Good. Do it on that. Don't do it to 4, 5, and 6. You still got to run.
Hey, here. I gotta go.
Go, dig. Go. Good. Come on, step on. There you go. Nice.
Go!